Malambot na pisngi, munting mga kamay, maliit na ilong, maninipis na labi, at mga matang nakapikit. Parang mahimbing lamang ang tulog, nakasuot ng damit pangsanggol. Kaya sa unang tingin, aakalain mong isa itong tunay na sanggol. Pero sa likod ng maamong mukha, isa lamang itong likhang kamay para sa isang inang nais magkaroon ng anak. Bago ka nagkaroon ng interest sa reborn dolls, may pinanggagalingan yan.
Yes po.
Pero noon ba, talaga mahilig ka na sa dolls? Well, sino ba namang babae hindi mahilig sa dolls, diba?
Yes po. Yeah. Since I was in grade 1.
Pero ano ba, bakit ka nahilig sa reborn dolls? Ano yung journey mo bago ka napunta sa reborn dolls?
2024 kasi, I experienced my first miscarriage. And during that time, it was very stressful. So, when that first loss happened, I was like, okay, siguro because of the stress. When the second miscarriage came in, parang napansin ko, wait, something's wrong with my body. Parang yun na, parang napaisip na ako, sometimes you don't feel like a woman. That was the time where I started looking for reborn dolls.
Sa loob ng 2 taon, 2 beses nawalan ng pagkakataon si Ali na marinig ang mga salitang nanay, mama o mommy. Mayroon siyang PCOS, endometriosis at adenomyosis, mga kondisyong maaaring magpahirap sa pagbubuntis. Mga takot na lalong nagpalalim sa pangamba niyang baka hindi niya maranasang maging ina.
Nag-long na ako. Na-curious na lang yung head ko about reborns. Maybe it's a good way to cope. Why do I feel like being a mom would help me out right now? Parang, but it's so selfish to think like that a baby would fix anything. But at that point, I was like, no, hindi selfish yung naiisip ko. I just want to parang hold the baby. At that point, parang hindi naman sa ano, pero parang nabaliw po ako talaga after that. Parang I found myself looking at baby stores. Parang longingly na parang, oh, may carrier doon, may stroller, ang cute.
Dumilim man ang mundo para kay Ali, hindi naman daw siya iniwan ng kanyang asawa. Until now, you're in therapy.
Yes po, yeah.
It's good that you have a very supportive husband now. Ano?
My husband, because he wanted to be there. He said it'll be silent, but he wanted to hear what I was gonna say. Parehas sila umiiyak. Parehas yung psychiatrist ko and my husband, when I was in the middle of the story, biglang, ba't kayo umiiyak? Sabi nila, ang dami mong kinakarga.
Ikinonsulta rin daw ni Ali sa kanyang doktor ang pagkakaroon ng reborn dolls.
So I was like, hi, what do you think about these dolls? Do you think it would help? Sabi niya, oh, very, very realistic daw itsura. Tapos she did her own research. She told me about what she found. And sabi niya, all in all, it helps actually with dementia, like dementia patients. Yung first one was 7,500. It was a gold find because yung nga, I was scrolling constantly. Nakita ko and I saw that they look real. Sabi ko, which one is the most Asian-looking babies? Like, when you get a doll, you kind of feel like, how can I connect with a doll if it doesn't look like me?
Do you have a photo? Kasi
Yes po. Ito po siya. This is what she looks like.
And she is, anong pangalan naman niya?
Marjorie.
Si Marjorie. Oo. Talagang para siyang
Real.
real. Mas mukha siyang real kesa kay Hiyori.
Yes po. Pero when it arrived, I was immediately like, okay, pause, drop everything. I cleared our table and I set up the unboxing.
So, nung in-unbox mo siya,
The baby's face, when you unbox them, it's covered in a diaper. Kasi they want to preserve the hair. The hair, kasi it shifts around. So naka-cover. So the first things that I was able to see was the little mittens. I felt very happy. Tapos when I removed the diaper, parang yun talaga yung final reveal eh. Natuwa po ako agad. Few months had passed by. I would still see, Marjorie pa po nun. I would see her laid out and I'd be like, parang may sense of comfort na those miscarriages I went through.
yung gano'n, minsan ba you find yourself na parang
Nilalaro mo.
parang naglalaro ka talaga
Yes
ng
po.
baby?
Opo. Parang, pero hindi mo rin napapansin eh.
Oo.
Yun nga po, parang...
Maybe while like you're watching.
Opo,
and then
tas
kasama mo
nasa
na.
chest ko, ginaganon ko yung likod, pero parang wala naman doon na
Oo.
igagawa.
Hindi lang siya umiiyak.
Yun lang yung
Pero
positive.
may trigger ba Ali, na kagaya niya, naglalaro ka, and then okay, comfort mo. Tapos pag bilang, boom, parang sana
Ay.
totoo ka.
Yes,
Sana
opo.
nakakapag-communicate or nakakangiti
Yeah,
ka sa
meron
akin.
po.
Mapaglaro ang tadhana kay Ali. Ngunit muling sinubok si Ali ng tadhana. Sa pangatlong pagkakataon, muli siyang nabuntis. Pero muli rin niyang naranasan ang pagkawala. When was this?
This was actually before my wedding.
Okay.
So,
How many months then? Ganun
that
din?
was
2 months?
parang 3 months po yung baby.
Okay.
So, parang may timeline usually talaga, parang bumibitaw.
Sa ikatlong pagsubok na kinaharap, dito niya nakilala si Hiyori, ang 6-month-old na reborn doll. Sa unang tingin, parang ordinaryong manika lamang itong si Hiyori. Pero para sa mga kababaihan na dumaan sa miscarriage at infertility, ang reborn dolls na katulad ni Hiyori ay nagsisilbing emotional comfort at coping mechanism.
It's like comforting to have a baby-like image in my life. If I ever have those baby blues, because they do come, I can just grab si Hiyori, put her on my chest.
May tendency ka ba na parang, okay, nakakalimutan mo na doll
This is a doll.
you
Oo.
also, ayan, hinihele siya.
Actually,
And then, inaayos mo siya. Tapos,
opo.
even yung pag ilalagay mo siyang ganun,
Ayan,
make
kailangan
sure na-
dahan-dahan. Oo.
Tapos, magkakaroon ka na ng third.
Eh,
Pareho silang girls.
Opo.
Oh.
This third one is a boy.
Okay.
The reborns helped me through so much. It helped me through the darkest times of my life.
Unti-unting bumalik ang lakas ni Ali at kasabay ng paghilom ng kanyang puso. Unti-unti rin niyang binubuo muli ang pag-asang balang araw magiging isang ganap na ina rin siya.
One of these days, I will have that real baby na talaga. So parang nagkaroon ng hope sa heart ko. That's why when I see the baby, parang naisip ko, so eventually, I'll have something like you.
Cheryl Cosib, mukha ng maliliit, isyong malalaki. Dokumentado.
Mga kapatid, Jig Manikad po. Pagdating sa mahalagang balita sa loob at labas ng bansa, dapat una sa lahat, mag-follow at mag-subscribe na sa social media pages ng News 5.